How was the meet for you?
It was good. And then I just started an Instagram story as well. But just say, we welcome our African sister. And I had a good chat with Marie. What's up, boy?
How was the meet for you?
It was good. And then I just started an Instagram story as well.
And this was the moment Shericka Jackson went to Tobi Amusan and gave her a hug at the Jamaican Invitational. There is no doubt that Jamaicans are the most welcoming people on earth because the evidence is everywhere. Jamaicans are welcoming, they love people, they are kind, they are always happy, and they don't show partiality. Everybody is their own, everybody belongs to them. That is what Jamaicans do. And a big shout out to the Jamaican people. If you are a Jamaican and you are watching this video, I want to tell you that you are special, and I want to remind you to always be kind because you have that blood in you already. All Jamaicans are nice, they are kind, they are special, and at the same time amazing people.